Hello students, my name is Ranjana Shivasa. I am your environmental teacher from Ikra Primary English Medium School branch. Today I am going to start the chapter 14 of standard 4 from the textbook Looking Around, that is Baswa's farm. Students, let's begin the chapter. I am Baswa. My father is a farmer. We live in Belvanika village in Karnataka. It is the month of July. Like every year, Appa, my father is preparing the field to sow the onion crop. There are so many things to be done at this time. To help him, I too go to the field with Appa. In the last few days, Appa has been using the khunti, an iron rod, to dig the soil, loosen it and make it soft. So children, farmer is the person who cultivates the land and grow crops. Baswas and his father lives in Balwanika village in Karnataka. Students, look at this map. In this picture, the shaded region is the state of Karnataka. Here, seen an image of khunti. It is a tool that is used to loosen the soil. Got it, children? Now next. Find out from a farmer or some elders in your family. What kind of crops are grown in your area? I live in Maharashtra. Sugarcane is one of the main crop grown in Maharashtra. Next, sowing the seeds. This year also my father will sow onion seeds in the field. The blocks will put the courage and Appa will talk behind them, sprinkling the seeds. I would also like to do this just like my Appa. But Appa says that is necessary to drop the right amount of seeds at a regular distance. This is not too easy to do. He says that I may drop too many seeds at one place. I must wait till I am a little older to be able to do this properly. In this picture, we can see that a farmer is using a tool to plow the field. After plowing, the seeds are sown. Got it? Next, the sprouts appear. It is now 20 days since the seeds were sown. The onion plants have started to sprout, along with onion plants which have also come up. Weeds grow in fields and gardens without being planted. Appa says that we must remove the weeds so that they do not take up all the water and fertilizers. If there are too many weeds, then the onion plants will not be healthy. Amma, uncle and I, we all help Appa to take out the weeds. Children, sprout is a small growth in a plant. Weeds are unwanted plants that grow along with the crops. Fertilizers are natural or chemical substances that are added to the soil to make it more healthy. Okay, understood? Now next, growing plants. I am happy to see the plants growing. They are tall enough to reach my knees. The leaves have started turning yellow and drying up. This means that the onion are ready to be taken out. Next, draw any crop which you have seen in the field. Students, you have to draw it in your notebook. Now next, do you know why? Everyone at home will have to work to take the onions out. It is important that this should be done at this right time. If we are late, the onion will rot in the ground itself and all our hard work will be wasted. Next question. Baswas help his father in the field. Do you help the elders in your family in their work? What do you help with? Yes, I help my grandfather to remove the weeds in our garden. Now ask this question with yourself. Think about the answer and write in your notebook. Now next. Do you enjoy doing that work? So students, You can write either yes or no, whether you enjoy or not. Next, the onion crop. Everyone at home is happy. This time the onions are big and healthy. Amma and auntie use the Elise to cut the dried leaves from the top of the onions. The Elise is sharp and you have to be careful not to cut your fingers. Appa and uncle fill the sacks with onions. Appa will take them in a truck to sell in the big market. Next question. Why is Baswa not able to attend school from some days? Children, let's go back to the story of find their answer. It says, I may not go to school for the next few days since I will also need to help. Therefore, Baswa may not go to school. So, we can write it. Next. Answer is, Baswa need to help his father in the field. So, he cannot attend school for a few days. Got it, children? Next. Are there any fields near your house? What is grown there? I live in a city. There are no fields near my house. Now, ask this question yourself and think about their answer. Write your own answer in your notebook. Baswa's appa takes the onions to the market in the truck. Think, how would your fruits and vegetables be taken and another place to is if there were no proper roads? It would be difficult to carry them if there were no proper roads. In that case, we can carry the fruits and vegetables on horses. Okay, understood? What kind of vehicles are used to carry fruits and vegetables? Trucks are usually used to transport fruits and vegetables from the one place to another. Given here are pictures of some implements used by Baswa's family. Write the name of the implements. Also write what these are called in your area. What work are they used for? Implements are nothing but tools. We see the picture of tools of the tool courage. In this chapter, this tool was referred as courage. What is the name of this tool in your area? In our area, this tool is called as kudal, and for which work this is used? This is used for plugging the field. Next. And this is the next tool. The name of this tool in this chapter was khunti. And what is the name of this tool is in your area? Even in our area, this tool is called khunti. And for which work this tool is used? This tool is used for digging the soil. And here is the picture of the next tool. The name of this tool in this chapter is Ilid. What is the name of this tool in your area? In our area, this tool is called sickle. And for which work this tool is used? This tool is used for cutting the plants. Now next. Many steps are needed to grow crops. Look at the picture and mark them in the correct order. The first step in the process is to loosen the soil. In this picture, we can see that the Baswa's father is digging the soil and losing the soil. So, this is the first step and hence I marked 1. The second step in the process is to sow the seeds. In this picture, we see that the Baswa's father is sowing the seeds. So, I mark that as the second step in the process. The next step, we need to take out the weeds from the field. In this picture, we see the Baswa's mother is taking out the weeds. So, I mark this at the third step. In this picture, we see that the Baswa's father is taking out more weeds from the field. Weeds should be regularly removed so that the crops are healthy. So I mark this as the fourth step. The next step, we need to take out dry leaves from the top of the onions and pull them out of the soil. This picture, we can see the Baswa's mother pulling out the onion from the soil. So this is the next step I marked as the fifth step. The next step would be to filling the with the onions. Sacks with the onions. These sacks are taken to the market to be sold. The picture, we can see the Baswa's father filling the sacks with onion. So this is the next step and the last step. So I mark in the process. This number 6. Now we have marked all the pictures in the correct order. Now let's watch a picture to know how land is cultivated. Okay, understood children? So here, with this we completed this chapter, that is Baswa's farm. Hope this video is understanding and useful for you. Okay, thank you very much.